I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Pretty good.
So you're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh, you were here just last week or the week before,
Yes, ma'am.
and you pled guilty to an offense and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I it was over the phone when you mean the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dude. That was it. And
That's not how this reads.
there,
They were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
my bond had to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond
Okay.
and you're going to go to jail.
Okay.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them. Or I don't have to go along with this plea.
The hearing takes a sharp turn before the defendant even realizes what's coming. What begins as a routine sentencing follow-up quickly transforms into a serious warning after the judge reveals troubling reports from the probation department. Instead of discussing paperwork, the courtroom shifts its focus to the defendant's behavior while on bond. As the judge explains that respect for court officers is non-negotiable, viewers can already sense that this conversation is heading toward consequences far more severe than anyone expected.
Freeman.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation.
No,
Hang on, don't overtalk me because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
Well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So you'll, but here's the thing, there's no reason for you to still not get this probation, but I don't have a choice now, but to get this pre-sentence report done. So I'm going to, hang on, I'm going to revoke your bond. In your case at this time, you're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report, probably not today.
do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah,
the
can
problem-
can we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yes,
Because, do you want me to read the memo?
the whole thing. Yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say.
The judge gives the defendant every opportunity to listen, accept responsibility, and move forward, but each interruption only reinforces the court's concerns. As the discussion continues, the judge explains that the reported behavior has left the court with little room for discretion. The defendant attempts to justify his actions and even points to recent personal events. Yet the courtroom remains focused on accountability rather than emotion. Tension rises dramatically when the possibility of immediate jail becomes a reality instead of just a warning.
And we need to be able to play those phone
You're
records.
going to
before
go
today.
do that. You're going to go do that
Of
pre-sentence
course, we're not gonna play
report,
phone records today.
and you're going to go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this.
Oh,
This is
what's
very-
the longest you think I'll be in
It's
there?
a very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff. Was he? Well, I don't know, maybe. I mean, if he, maybe I'll have him just sit for a little bit. Let's just see.
Judge,
Mm-hmm.
since we have him here, well, let's go ahead and test him.
That's a great idea. Let's do that as well.
The problem, I know what they did get out of the PSI from what they could barely read was some marijuana and fentanyl use. So maybe, I don't know, it just seems,
That's a great, yeah, thank you, Mr. Nichols.
Yes, sir.
We'll do that as well. And he's already here, so let's get that done.
Once the bond is officially revoked, the defendant desperately searches for another path, asking about trial, evidence, and recorded phone calls in hopes of changing the outcome. The judge remains calm but unwavering, making it clear that cooperation with probation is now the only productive step forward before sentencing. Even after the defendant is ordered into custody, the courtroom continues discussing additional testing and procedural matters, showing how quickly a defendant's conduct outside the courtroom can reshape the entire case. If you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video.